Hello, we are now on page 1, and in this page we can use double facts to subtract. Okay, let's look at the example. We know that the double of 8 is 16, and we look at the photos below. Okay, there are 8 ladybulbs on the left hand side, and then 8 ladybulbs on the right hand side. So 8 plus 8, do you know how many in total? Yes, equals 16. If we do subtractions, for example, there are 16 ladybulbs. If we minus 8 ladybulbs, because half of 16 is 8, so 16 minus 8 equals to 8 also. Do you still remember fact family? Okay, we write down 16 here. 16 minus 8 equals to 8. And 8 plus 8 equals to 16. If we know 8 plus 8 equals 16, and we know that 16 minus 8 equals 8. Okay, we turn to page 2. In this page, we need to find the total number of legs. Okay, let's look at the pictures below. Do you know how many ladybulbs are there? Yes, there are 8 ladybulbs. So, do you know how many legs are there? Can you count? Yes, there are 48 legs. So, if we take away half of the ladybulbs, do you know how many legs will be left? At the beginning, there were 8 ladybulbs. So, if we take away half of the ladybulbs, that means how many ladybulbs will be taken away? Yes, 4. And then minus 8 minus 4 equals to how many? Yes, 4. There are still 4 ladybulbs. If there are only 4 ladybulbs, that means the number of legs will be also reduced by half. Let's use the abacus to help us find the answer. If we take away half of the ladybulbs, that means the number of legs will be also reduced by half. That means we need to find the half of 48. Okay, let's use the abacus to represent 48. Okay, 3 tenths and then 4 tenths. 48 equals to 4 tenths and 8 ones. So let's move 8 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we got 4 tenths and 8, that means 48. 48 equals to 40 plus 8. To find the half of 48, we can find the half of 40 plus the half of 8. If we split 40 into half, what will be the answer? Yes, it's 20. 20 plus 20 equals to 40. The half of 40 is 20. And we move 20 bits to the right hand side. And now there are 20 bits on the right hand side. And also 20 bits on the left hand side. And next, we will split the remaining 8 bits into half too. If we split 8 into half, it equals to 4. So 4 plus 4 equals to 8, right? So we move 4 bits to the right hand side. 3, 4. And 4 bits on the right hand side. Okay, 4 bits. And also on the left hand side, there are also 4 bits. So each side we have 20 bits plus 4 bits. That means equals to 24. the half of 48 is 24. Just now we used the abacus to find the half of 48. So if we take away half of the ladybubs, that means there are still 4 ladybubs. How many legs are there? Yes, it's 24. And then we look at the fat family. 24 plus 24 equals to 48. So if 48 minus 24, it also equals to 24. So we know that half of 48 is 24. And then we look at the next questions. Do you know how many ladybubs are there? Yes, there are 4 ladybubs. So how many legs are there? Yes, just now we calculated. It's 24. Again, if we take away half of the ladybubs, that means how many ladybubs will be taken away? Yes, it's 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 equals to how many? Yes, it's 2 again. And there are still 2 ladybubs left. And then we need to find how many legs do 2 ladybubs have. That means we need to find the half of 24. Okay, we use the abacus again to find the half of 24. At the beginning, there were 4 ladybubs and they have 24 legs. Okay, and then we move 24 bits to the left hand side. 1 10, 2 10s. Okay, on the first row we have 10 bits. In the second row also 10 bits. It means there are 20 bits now. And now we move 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now there are 24 bits on the left hand side. Okay, 24 equals to 20 plus 4. Again, if we want to find the half of 24, and then we need to split 20 into half and 4 into half. Okay, let's find the half of 20. The half of 20 equals to 10. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. So we move 10 bits to the right hand side. And now on the right hand side there are 10 bits, and on the left hand side there are also 10 bits. We split 20 into half. Okay, next we split 4 into half. Okay, the half of 4 is how many? Yes, it's 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we move 2 bits to the right hand side. And now there are still 2 bits on the left hand side. And now on the right hand side there are 2 bits, and on the left hand side we also have 2 bits. Okay, now let's count how many bits are on each side. Okay, each side we have 10 plus 2 bits. That means equals to 12. There are 12 bits on each side, so the half of 24 equals to 12. Just now we used the abacus to find the half of 24. Do you still remember the answer? Yes, it's 12. So there will be 12 legs. And we write down the fat family. 12 plus 12 equals to 24. So 24 minus 12 equals to 12 too. So we know that a half of 24 is 12. And then we look at the next questions. Do you know how many ladybulbs are there? Yes, there are 2 ladybulbs. And how many legs in total? Yes, it's 12. Oh, if we take away half of the ladybulbs, that means 2 ladybulbs. We take away how many ladybulbs? Yes, 1 ladybulb. So how many ladybulbs will be left? Yes, 1. So there will be how many legs? Do you know? How many legs do 1 ladybulb have? Yes, it's 6. So the half of 12 is 6. Okay, we are now on page 3. In this page, we also find how many legs are there. Okay, we look at the pictures here. How many ladybulbs? Yes, 1 ladybulb. How many legs do 1 ladybulb have? Yes, it's 6. If we take away half of the legs, that means it cut the ladybulbs into half. How many legs will be there? Yes, it's 3. So we write down 3 here. Okay, so we know that half of 6 is 3. And we look at the fact family. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. And 6 minus 3 equals to 3 too. And we look at the question below. In this question, you can create your pattern of double. And also, you may draw the legs and write 3 subtraction sentences using double facts. Okay, for example, we draw 2 ladybulbs' legs. Okay, 1 ladybulb has 6 legs. So we draw 6 legs for each ladybulb. And we circle 2 ladybulbs. So how many legs do 2 ladybulbs have? Yes, it's 12. And we take away 1 of the ladybulbs. That means half of the ladybulbs. So how many legs will be taken? Yes, 6 legs will be taken. And there is 1 ladybulb left. So how many legs do these ladybulbs have? Yes, it's 6. For the remaining 2 number sentence, you may also try at home and draw the legs and write down 2 subtraction sentences using double facts. And now we are on page 7. In this page, we will try to do some subtraction questions. And we need to circle the double facts. We look at question 1 together. Question 1 is 15 minus 7. Okay, let's use the abacus to help us. And we move 15 beads to the left hand side. 10 beads. And we move 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to take away 7 beads from either one row. Which row should we choose? Row 1 or row 2? Yes, we should take away from row 1 and remove 7 beads to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we count how many beads are still on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means there are still 8 beads on the left hand side. And we write down 8. In this question, do we use the double fact to find the answer? No, we didn't use the double of 7. Indeed, it is 7 plus 8 equals to 15. So it is not a double fact. We don't need to circle. Then we will look at question 4. We need to find 14 minus something equals to 7. Then we first move 14 bits to the left hand side, 10 bits, and we need to move 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do you still remember fact family? 14 minus something equals to 7. That means 7 plus something equals to 14. So we will know the answer by subtracting 7 from 14. Okay, we now move 7 bits to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 more. 7. And we now have 7 bits on the right hand side. And how about the left hand side? How many bits are there? Let's count together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 bits on the left hand side. So the answer is 7. 7 plus 7 equals to 14. And we know that 14 minus 7 equals to 7. In this question, do we use double fact to find the answer? Yes, of course. So we circle these questions. For the remaining questions, you may try it at home for your revisions. And if you use the double fact to find the answer, please circle the questions. Okay, we are now on page 8. In this page, we'll use the double fact to solve the problem. And we look at question 1 together. Bob skipped 16 times, and Rachel, her friend, skipped half as many times. And we need to find how many times did Rachel skip. We know that Bob skipped 16 times. So we write down 16 here. And Rachel skipped half as the number of times. So we need to find half of 16. Let's use the abacus to find the answer. We move 16 bits to the left hand side, 10 bits, and we move 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the first row, there are 10 bits and 6 bits in the second row. And then we need to find half of 16. Okay, in the first row, there are 10 bits. We split them into half first. If we split into half each side, we got 5 bits. In the second row, there are 6 bits. And again, we split it into half. Okay, if we split into half, there will be 3 bits on each side. So, do you know how many bits in each side now? Yes, it's 8. On the left hand side, there are also 8 bits. So 8 plus 8 equals to 16. And then we write the fact family. 8 plus 8 equals to 16, and 16 minus 8 will be equal 8. So let's write the number sentence together. 16 minus 8 equals to 8. And we look at question 2 together. Sarah makes 18 teddy bears and she sells 9 teddy bears to the store. We need to find how many teddy bears does Sarah have left. Okay, Sarah makes 18 teddy bears and we write down 18 here. And then she sells 9 teddy bears. So we write down minus 9. And we use the abacus to help us find the answer again. We move 18 bits to the left hand side, 10 bits, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 bits. Okay, and then we first split the bits in the first row into half. That means we take away 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now there are 5 bits on the right hand side. And there are 5 bits on the left hand side. And then we split the bits in the second row into half. And there are 8 bits in total. That means we move 4 bits to the right hand side. And now the total number of bits on the right hand side is 5 plus 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 bits on the right hand side. How about the left hand side? Okay, 5 plus 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are also 9 bits on the left hand side. So 9 plus 9 equals to 18. And we write down the fact family. 18 minus 9 equals to 9. And 9 plus 9 equals to 18. So 18 minus 9 equals to 9. Okay, we look at question 3 together. Nana's teacher has 14 stickers to award the students in her class. She has given 7 stickers, and we need to find how many stickers does Nana's teacher have now. Okay, at the beginning, Nana's teacher has 14 stickers, and she given 7 stickers to the students. That means we write down minus 7. And we need to find 14 minus 7. And then we move 14 bits into the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 14 bits on the left hand side. And again, we split the bits into half. In the first row there are 10 bits and we split into half. That means each side we have 5 bits. In the second row there are 4 bits and we split into half. That means each side there are 2 bits. Okay, let's count how many bits in each side. Okay, on the left hand side there are how many bits? Yes, 7 bits. And on the right hand side we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 again. Each side there are 7 bits. So we know that 7 plus 7 equals to 14. So 14 minus 7 equals to 7. And we write down the fact family again. 14 minus 7 equals to 7. And 7 plus 7 equals to 14. And now we are on page 11, and in this page we will do some subtraction questions. And we will use the abacus to help us to find the answer. And we look at question 1 together. Okay, question 1, we need to find 11 minus 8. Okay, we know that 11 can be split into 10 and 1. 10 plus 1 equals to 11. So we move 11 bits to the left. 10 plus 1 bit. And then we need to minus 8. So we need to take away 8 bits. Which row should we choose? Yes, the first row. We take away 8 bits from the first row. There are 10 bits in the first row, and we take away 8, that means minus 8, equals to how many? Okay, let's try. 2, 4, 6, 8. And now, if we take away 8 bits, there are 2 bits left on the left hand side. How about the second row? The second row, there is 1 bit. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. That means when 11 minus 8, we will first subtract 8 from 10 equals to 2, and then 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And the answer is 3. Just now we used the abacus to find the answer of question 1. We need to find 11 minus 8. We'll first split 11 into 10 and 1. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. And 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So the answer is 3. And then we talk about question 3. In question 3, we need to find 11 minus 4. Again, we also split 11 into 2 parts, which is 10 and 1. So we move 11 bits to the left hand side. 10 bits plus 1 bit. And now there are 11 bits on the left hand side. And then we need to take away 4 bits. So again, we take away 4 bits in the first row or second row. Yes, we take away it from the first row. Okay, and now there are 10 bits in the first row, and we take away 4, that means minus 4. Let's see how many is left. Take away 2, 4. So now on the left hand side, how many bits left? Yes, there are 6 bits left. So that means 10 minus 4 equals to 6. And in the second row, how many bits left? Yes, it's 1. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So when we find 11 minus 4, we first subtract 4 from 10, that means 6. And 6 plus 1 equals 7. That means the answer is 7. Okay, we talk about question 3. We need to find 11 minus 4. We split 11 into 10 and 1. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. And 6 plus 1 equals to 7. And now we talk about question 6. Question 6, we need to find 12 minus 5. Again, we split 12 into 2 parts, which is 10 and 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. And then we move 12 bits to the left. 10 plus 2 And then we need to take away 5 bits. So which row should we choose? Row 1 or row 2? Yes, it's row 1. We take away 5 bits from row 1. Okay, there are 10 bits in the first row, and we take away 5 equals to, okay, we take away 5. So now on the left hand side, how many bits are left? Yes, it's 5. How about the second row? How many bits? Yes, there are 2 bits. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So when we do 12 minus 5, we first subtract 5 from 10, and then 5 plus 2 equals to 7, and the answer is 7. We talk about question 6. We first split 12 into 10 and 2, and then 10 minus 5 equals to 5, and 5 plus 2 equals to 7, and the answer is 7. And now we'll talk about question 9. We need to find 12 minus 9. Again, we split 12 into 2 parts, which is 10 and 2. Okay, and then remove 12 bits to the left hand side. 10 plus 2. And now we need to take away 9 bits. So which row should we choose? The first row or the second row? Yes, we should choose the first row. Okay, in the first row there are 10 bits, and we take away 9 bits. Let's see how many bits are left. Take away 2, 4, 6, 8, and one more, 9. And now there on the left hand side there is 1 bit left. Okay, we write down 1. How about the second row? How many bits are left? Yes, it's 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So when we find 12 minus 9, we will first subtract 9 from 10 equals to 1. And 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Okay, just now we talked about question 9, 12 minus 9. We split 12 into 10 and 2. And 10 minus 9 equals to 1. And 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. And for the rest of the question, you may try it at home for revisions. And now we are on page 18. In this page, we also do some subtraction questions, and we also use the abacus to help us find the answer. Okay, we'll look at question 4. 13 minus 9. Okay, what should we do? Okay, first of all, we also split 13 into 10 and how many? Yes, it's 3. And then we move 13 bits to the left. 10 plus 3. And then we need to take away 9 bits. So which row should we choose? The first row or the second row? Yes, we should choose the first row. And there are 10 bits in the first row, and we take away 9 bits. Let's see how many bits left. Okay, we take away 2, 4, 6, 8, and one more, 9. And now on the left hand side, how many bits is left? Yes, 1. Okay, how about the second row? On the second row, there are 3 bits. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So to find 13 minus 9, we first subtract 9 from 10, which is equal 1, and 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So the answer is 4. Okay, we'll talk about question 4, and we need to find 13 minus 9. We first split 13 into 10 and 3. And 10 minus 9 equals to 1. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So the answer is 4. And then we talk about question 7. Question 7, we need to find 13 minus 4. Again, we split 13 into 10 and 3. So we move 13 bits to the left, 10 plus 3. And now we need to take away 4 bits. So which row should we choose? First row or the second row? Yes, we should choose the first row. And in the first row there are 10 bits in total, and we take away 4 bits. So let's see how many bits left. Okay, do you know how many bits are still on the left hand side? Yes, it's 6. And then how about the second row? How many bits? Yes, it's 3. 6 plus 3 equals to how many? 9. So to find 13 minus 4, we will first subtract 4 from 10 equals to 6. And 6 plus 3 equals to 9. That means the answer is 9. And just now we talked about question 7, 13 minus 4. We first split 13 into 10 and 3. 10 minus 4 equals to 6, and 6 plus 3 equals to 9. So the answer is 9. Okay, for the rest of the question, please try by yourself.